Finally, it's taken a while to get to this point, but I'm sitting inside the completed sauna barrel. A couple of things before I start the video. My brother and I work together a lot in this video, and that means a fair amount of conversational profanity. If that bothers you, turn the sound volume down. Don't forget to subscribe. And it occurred to me that I didn't show very clearly what we were putting this barrel together with. And that would be these. These are GRK screws. I'm not a drug user, but these are my drug of choice. They're expensive. They don't make you a better person. They definitely don't make you a better carpenter. And once you start using them, you can't stop. Well, if it hangs over, if the barrel hangs over here a little bit, then the screw heads don't ride on this, and that might be easy. But I think they'll probably countersink enough to go in there. So these are.
Why don't we just move that one bunk 2 inches up?
That's a really good idea.
We'll just overhang it this way more. Yeah.
So this is the other question I have here is, we got this guy. I made it so there's 6 feet, so that's why I left, whatever that is, 2.5 inches of overhang on each end.
Right.
So maybe we should, if we're gonna push that one this way, maybe we should push this one
this way and hang it over a little bit more.
All right. I think
move it up 3 inches this way, and then it'll give an extra inch of leeway.
I think that makes sense. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I'm an idiot.
Where's that bit? This is slightly small, of course. Fucking piece of shit. I don't know why everyone has to have its own proprietary size. So I just move it to the other side of the front line?
Yeah, I think we'll move both of those one line over and see how it does. Oh, fuck. You know what?
What? It's not going to work?
No, it's going to work. I just realized what I probably don't screw those in yet.
Okay.
While we're doing this, we should cogitate on order of operations for building this thing.
What are you looking at?
Well, I'm just trying to get them lined up so that they're all seated. You see what I mean? It's like somebody pull one out too far and then it comes off in the middle when you're down. And of course, because it's a curve, if you rotate them on the curve, they can look like they're seated, but when they're not. I think what we should do though is pre-drill, whatever it's going to take, probably 7 or 8, maybe 10 to do this.
Okay.
Pre-drill them all, get them all locked together, maybe even, not really going to be able to clamp them, but tap them together with a hammer. Get the whole thing sitting square so like our edges are lined up nicely there. I bought this stuff. This foam, foam weather stripping. So I thought we'd wrap that around the barrel, around the end. This stuff, it compresses down to almost nothing.
Yeah, good idea.
And then, so I guess what we should do is probably lay up a bunch of these, nice and neat on here. And then wrap some of this foam on one of the barrel ends. I'm sorry, that video and audio quality is terrible. How about a little nature interlude? Alright, enough of that. Now back to regular programming. I'm like 2 1/4 here and 3 3/4 over there.
From the, you mean off the cradle, over the cradle?
Yeah, just cockeyed, I guess, as a whole. I'm kneading the cradle now. It's kneading the cradle, but it's not square in the cradle. It's neither in the cradle. Those metal bolt heads will get kind of hot in there for your feet.
I think I'm a little worried about that actually. I went to a pool and place that had a sauna and steam room, and I was noticing that they had a couple of like backrest things, and most of them were made with sunken heads.
With what?
Sunken
sunken head nails.
Finish nails. But then one that wasn't, and I used that one accidentally, and it fucking burned the shit out of you. So you definitely don't want any metal exposed. Starting to look awful small. Yeah, I was thinking about that.
I think that's all I'm gonna get.
No, I got the cord.
Oh, the
flopped
cord!
up on the board I was playing.
You tend to make them stop.
It was exciting.
Get some sparks.
Oh yeah.
You gotta remember, just aren't nailed in.
Right.
Cool. It's all there. Now we somehow got a turbine.
Wait.
What's up there?
What do you mean? What's up?
Well, we want to have to go somewhere vertical. Fine. You know what else I'm realizing? Put a temporary brakes in there. Try it without us between ourselves.
Fucking awesome.
It works. Strangely, it looks bigger now that it's got that thing.
Yeah. I think you might have to roll it out of there, and I might have to push it back. There. Face here. It's old.
The other thing is without the kids here, but basically, the insulation theory in this house is that you just you have like buffer rooms, right? So not a bedroom. All right, we ready to set this bad boy on there?
Yep. Damn, that's pretty good.
I wonder, maybe we should go and screw the bottoms off. That would probably, I mean, we only get 2 screws here. Well, that was great. We only get 2 screws in there. We screw the bottoms off.
All right, why don't I hold it while you do that?
Okay. All right, so one way to do this ugly job. Looks good. Assuming there's something What? Here's progress so far. Looking awesome. Feel like moving in here and living.
It's perfect for coronavirus quarantine.
Just go in here.
Don't come out.
Don't come out. Take a 6-pack of beer.
At least.
Okay, now for a final walkthrough of the finished sauna barrel. I had some nice 8-quarter pine planks. We cut those up and made some benches. Rest nicely on the ledgers on the end there, and you can position them low, which is really comfortable for your back. That wasn't in the plan, that was just a lucky accident. Or you can position it higher, which theoretically will be warmer when we get the wood stove built. Up here on the ceiling, I'm not sure if you can see that. Last 2 boards had a wedge gap between them. So we had to cut a wedge-shaped piece to fit in there. Tongue and groove on it and everything. Pounded it in from the wide end, and it worked really well. Tightened everything up nicely. Beth Ann had a couple of nice brass dippers. So put that in there. Keep us motivated and going forward.